to Emela online tutorial. Now, in this question today, which is under matrices, we are told that given that the matrix of 2, -3, 1, and 4 by this matrix -6 and p, then equals the matrix of 3 and -2. I mean -26. Now take note, this is 2 by 2 matrix, this is 2 by 1 matrix, this is 2 by 1 matrix. The row first, then the column. Okay, so how then do we find the value of p? Now what we need to do first is we take the row, okay, which means we take this row, alright, we multiply it by the column. Okay, so how do we go about it? Now we have to take it one by one. This is 2, okay, multiplied by -6 plus -3 times, or multiplied by what? P. So that will give us 2, okay, multiplied by -6, then plus -3 multiplied by P. Okay, so we've done this first one. Now the second one here, you have 1 multiplied by -6, so 1 multiplied by -6, then plus 4 multiplied by P, that'll be 4 multiplied by P, then equals this, you have 3 and -26. Okay, so let's open the parentheses here, this one. This will give us -12 because 2 times -6, then plus, okay, there's not with this minus, so this minus will actually affect this plot. There will be minus, then 3p, then we'll come over here, -6, then plus 4p, then equals what? 3 -26. Okay, so in this case now we just form two equations. The whole of this equals this, the whole of this equals this, as simple as that. You have -12 minus 3p equals 3, and -6 plus 4p equals -26. So let us now solve for p here. In this case here, this is something as if you are to add 12 to both sides, because 12 is having a negative sign here. So the opposite of this negative operation will be plus. So let us add plus to both sides. We end up having -3p, then equals, and when we add 12 to the right hand side here, we have 15. And the same pattern here, this will give us, when we add the opposite sign of negative, which is positive. So it means +6, we add +6 to both sides. We end up having 4p, then equals, when we add +6 here, that will give us 0. And when we add +6 here, that will give us -20. Okay, so we come here, we have -3p, then equals 15, and 4p equals -20. So let us divide by the coefficient of p here. Here you have -3, then -3. This one cancel out. So here we are left with what? -5. So p here equals -5. So in this case, let's divide by the coefficient of p here, which is 4. So this cancel this here 1, this here 5. So p equals what? -5. Okay, I guess the value of p, the two values of p were -5. Alright, if you love what I've just done, kindly like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and don't fail to share this video with other learners. Thank you, and remain blessed. Bye bye.